this is my nephew, William Pomye. Let me ask him what he did last week. Hello, William Pomye.
Hi, my name is William Pomye.
What did you do last week?
I went to Navy Rock.
How long did you stay there?
I stayed there for a week.
Who did you go with?
I went with my mother and with my brother.
What did you do there?
We went to a clinic and a small market. My family also went to the water fountain garden.
Oh, really? Interesting. What did you see at the water fountain garden?
We saw fake dinosaurs, lots of colorful flowers, and a mini zoo.
Did you notice something? Earlier, my nephew said, I went to Nebiro last week. I saw fake dinosaurs at the water fountain garden. I stayed there for a week. So all his answers are about the past. ဝင်ဖို့မြက်ကကြသူအရင်အပတ်ကလောက်ခဲ့တာကိုပြောသွားတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့ past simple tense ကိုသုံးပြီးတော့အဖြေဖြေသွားပါတယ် So when do we use past simple tense? We use the past simple tense to talk about things that happened yesterday, last week, or in the past. Past simple tense ကိုကြတော့မနေ့ကအရင်ပတ်ကအတိတ်ကတချိန်ချိန်မှာဖြစ်ခဲ့တဲ့အကြောင်းအရာတွေကိုပြောချင်တယ်ဆိုရင် past simple tense ကိုသုံးပါတယ် So what's the sentence structure? Sentence structure ကကြတော့ subject အရင်လာပါမယ်ပြီးရင် verb က verb to ဖြစ်ရပါမယ် and complement စာကြောင်းကိုပြည့်စုံသွားစေတဲ့တစ်ခုခုထပ်ထည့်ရပါမယ် To understand the sentence structure, let's look at some more examples. Julian visited his grandma last month. Julian got subject, visited got verb to, his grandma got complement, last month got extra information ဖြစ်ပါတယ် My sister did her homework this morning. My sister got subject, did got verb to, her homework got complement, this morning got extra information ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Ben and his friends played football yesterday evening. Ben and his friends got subject, played got verb to, football got complement, yesterday evening ကကြတော့ extra information ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီနေရာမှာ verb တွေက verb to ဆိုရင် regular verbs နဲ့ irregular verbs ရှိတယ်ဆိုတာသိထားပါမယ် regular verbs ဆိုတာကတော့ ed ပေါင်းထားတဲ့ verb to တွေကို regular verbs လို့ခေါ်ပြီးတော့ ed မပေါင်းထားတဲ့ verb to တွေကိုကြတော့ irregular verbs လို့ခေါ်ပါတယ်ဒီနေရာမှာဆိုရင် visited နဲ့ played က ed ပေါင်းထားတဲ့အတွက် regular verbs တွေဖြစ်ပြီးတော့ did ကကြတော့ ed ပေါင်းမထားတဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်မလို့ irregular verb ဖြစ်ပါတယ် Well, that's it for today. ဒီနေ့ဗီဒီယိုမှာတော့ past simple tense ကိုသုံးပြီးတော့ affirmative sentences တွေရေးတာကိုပြောသွားပါတယ် In the next video မှာတော့ past simple tense ကိုသုံးပြီးတော့ negative sentences နဲ့ questions တွေရေးတာကိုလေ့လာသွားပါမယ် So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.